Good morning. Happy Saturday. Ready to go out. I'm going out a little earlier than I expected. I actually went home last night, crash. I got up early, man, without the clock again. No alarm clock. When you're excited about what you're doing and you have your goal set and you can see where you're going, you don't need an alarm clock to get up. You get up excited, ready to go. It's 1:40. I'm hitting it. Starting my second part of the weekend. I'll keep you guys posted, let you know how it goes today. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. I love you guys. God bless all of you, and we'll see you here again soon. Let's rock. Let's go get it. Bye-bye.